Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us. So we can see that Euro USD is still trading in a range here. We have got 1,666, this level on the upside as the resistance, and whereas we have got 1.1528, this level on the downside as the support for the market. And at first I would like to apologize for not bringing videos for the last 3 days because, my dear friends, in my previous video I mentioned that I'm about to launch a signal service, and therefore I was very busy with the newly launched group. Yes, the group is live now. I have been sharing signals as well. So if you want to know more about the Pro Trader program, what are the benefits of the Pro Trader program, because this is not a typical signal group, I also mention the best trading opportunities in the market as well. If you want to know more about it, just go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will find all the information here, okay, and the benefits here, okay. You'll find everything, okay. So let's get back to the chart of Euro USD. So first of all, okay, we can see that market is still trading in a range here. So the most reliable, okay, the most reliable resistance in this market is this level, and the most reliable support is also here. But right now market is trading in the middle here, and we do have a minor support. Okay, I will not consider this as a very strong support, but yes, we do have a minor support at 1.1575 level. So being a sideways market, we get trading opportunities on both the side, because in sideways market number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. Therefore the area of value is available at the resistance as well as the support. So if market goes up from here, okay, at first let me tell you the safest trading opportunity in this chart. Okay, so if market goes up from here and reverses from the level of 1.1666 or 1.1670 level, this resistance level, you can go for sell. On the other hand, if market comes down and bounces from the support level of 1.1528 level, you can go for buy. These are the two safest trading levels on the chart of Euro USD. But right now you can see that market is in the middle, and we have a minor support as well at 1.1575. So if market bounces from this particular support here, if you want to go for a buy, you can go for buy. Just make sure that you are following proper risk management. You are not risking more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, unlike these two levels, okay, this level is not very strong. The level in the middle is not a very strong one. As a result, proper risk management is extremely important, because being a trader, it is your duty to protect your hard-earned money. Because see, my analysis can be wrong as well, because of my analysis, you should not be risking your hard-earned money to 50% or 70%, 80%. Okay, so please follow risk management. And apart from these trading options in the chart of Euro USD, I have one more opportunity on the chart of 15 minutes. Okay, this is a 15 minutes Euro USD chart here, and you can see that in the Euro USD chart we have a minor resistance at 1.1615 level. Okay, we have a minor resistance at 1.1615 level. So if market goes up and reverses from this particular level, you can take a sell position. Yes, you can take a sell position, and your take profit target will be around 10 to 15 pips. Do not expect much. Your TP will be 10 to 15 pips only. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. If you have been following my videos, then you know it very well that I'm not a big fan of Euro USD, because hardly we are witnessing any good movements on the chart of Euro USD. So if you are looking for big movements, then please focus on other trading pairs, because there are plenty of opportunities in the market. Okay, So it's your call. Okay, and stick to the strategy that I just mentioned. Okay, bye bye, take care.